All right.
I'm not, I didn't do it, so I'm not gonna.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. Today we're gonna be checking out a Doordash driver who decided to go and confront a customer for giving them a contract violation. I mean, look, I should be the last one talking when it comes to confronting no-tip customers or customers that give you problems. I mean, just check out this video right here. You ever heard of no tip, no trip?
It was at this moment.
How much is the tip on this order? So as you can see, I got some experience when it comes to confronting no-tip customers. This driver in particular decided to go back to a customer after completing the delivery.
You guys have cameras here. You said the order never arrived.
To dispute a contract violation. Now in this video, we're going to give you our thoughts and opinions on what the driver did and what you should do in the future, and if that's something that is viable and is it against terms of service on Doordash. This Doordash driver got some balls, because look, me myself, I was confronting customers while giving them the food, right? But this guy took it upon himself to go all the way back to the customer at their workplace, at their job, you know, embarrassing them, and made them come up and answer some questions. We're gonna play a small portion of the video. If you want to see the full video, the link will be in the description, but we're gonna just play a little small part of this video, and let me know in the comments below, what would you do in this situation, and what do you think of what this driver decided to do?
No idea what you're talking about.
Man, stop playing with me. What?
She even saw you with the food. I mean,
Now, before we get into this video, I want to let you know there's a couple things that you can do to protect yourself from this. Whenever you have a hand-to-me customer, you can open up the messaging part of the Doordash app, and you can actually click the plus sign, and you can take a picture still and send them a message in the Doordash app with a picture of their delivery. That way, there's documentation not only through the messaging Doordash app, but on Doordash's side, they can see everything, every conversation you have with the customer, including any pictures you send. So that's one quick way to protect yourself when you have potential fraud on the Doordash system and when it pertains to delivering to these fraudulent customers. And another thing you can do, say you click on the little button, right, and they have a phone number that's not actually in the Doordash app. This happens from time to time. What you can do is you can open up the Doordash Dasher Help, Dasher Support, and you can click the chat button, and in there it will link you with a support agent. And from there you can do the exact same thing. You can click the little plus sign, and you can take a photo in app right there in the messaging with a support agent to let them know, hey, they have your location. They're going to see you at the delivery spot with a picture verifying that you did drop off that delivery. I would encourage all my new Doordash drivers to do that every single time you have a hand to me, because that way you're protecting yourself and you're giving yourself the peace of mind.
you guys have cameras here. You said the order never arrived. So why does it say that the customer says the order never arrived?
I'm the first nigga to do all type of shit.
Like, were you just trying to get free food and put my job on the line? Okay, well, we got to figure something out, because it says that the customer says the order never arrived, and I got a contract violation. I'm an independent contractor, okay? So that puts my job at risk. We're going to have to call Doordash support off your phone, because I wasn't the one that said the order never arrived. It's an on your side of things. What? It doesn't just randomly happen magically. You have to get a hold of Doordash support directly to say that the order never arrived. Okay, well, I'm currently at work too, and now my job's at risk because of, I don't know, she said your boyfriend's name is Chris. She said she saw you with the food. So you got the food earlier, right? Okay. Yeah, first okay, well, it wasn't, you can't refund it. It's you reported the order as never arrived. There's no refund about that. Well, maybe, I mean, there is a refund if you don't get your order, I think, for your food. But that's the point of that, is people don't get, like, my job's at risk. I can't just give you free food and sweep it under the rug. Like, it's not how it works. Like, I have a job too. I have 5 kids I got to feed. Like, well, I understand. So can we pull the phone out and figure out? Yeah, let's, okay. But you got the food earlier? Okay. All right.
I didn't do it, so I'm not gonna.
Okay. If you do potentially encounter a scammy Doordash customer, once they see that you taking the picture, even though they know they selected hand to me, once they see you taking that picture and sending it through the app, either to them or to the Doordash support, that kind of gives them that little nudge they needed to say, hey, this ain't the order you need to be trying to pull that scam on, because I got all my stuff in order, and you know what? I'm not about to get no contract violation. You probably gonna get your consumer account revoked before I get a contract violation. So look, make sure you being safe out there, and if you ever have any concerns on any delivery, just contact Dasher support. Let them know you don't feel safe about it, and let them know you have an emergency and you cannot complete that delivery. you can avoid situations like this that this driver had to go through. And I do feel sorry for him, but look, at the end of the day, we shouldn't be going back to the customer's drop-off location, residence, business, place of business, whatever. We should not, as drivers, be going back and confronting those customers because, for one, you could be putting yourself in a dangerous situation, right? You could also be guaranteeing yourself getting deactivated from DoorDash and messing up any potential future income you have from the DoorDash platform. So I would advise you to make sure you stay safe out there. Don't do what I did. Don't do what this driver did, but learn from it. Get some entertainment value out of it. But just know that if this was to happen, this is an easy way to get deactivated on the DoorDash platform. Now look, if you found value in this video, I need you to make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. Because guess what? I'm trying to get to 10,000 subs. And I'm trying to get there as fast as possible. So I need all of y'all help. And make sure you like and share this video. And by the way, if you didn't know, we do have some FDA no tip, no trip merch live on the channel right now. And order some of that and send me a picture of it. I will highlight that and put it in my next video. So to all my people out there, if you want to be a part of the FDA family, you can either join the channel membership or you can buy you a piece of merch and go ahead and shoot a screenshot of that and send it to me, and I'll feature that in my next video. And as always, I'm FDA, and I'll catch you in the next one.